So we're going to work on calculating the circumference of a circle. First thing you have to understand are the parts of a circle. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a fixed point called the center. All right, here's the center here. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. So from the center out is a radius. And the distance across the circle through the center is called the diameter. Okay, cutting it in half. So this slide has the formula for circumference of a circle, which is the algebraic formula that is circumference equals pi times diameter, or circumference equals 2 pi r. And then the r would represent the radius, which is from the center out. And then pi would be typically used as pi equals 3.14. All right, so we're going to use what we know about a circle, and we're going to use the formula for circumference of a circle to calculate some problems.
So we are going to find the circumference of this circle. And how you find it is pi times diameter. And pi is simplified to 3.14, and the diameter is 9. So we do 3.14 times 9 is 4 times 9 is 36. Carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. And 9 times 3 plus 1 is 28. And you move the decimal twice. So you move the decimal twice again, and the circumference is 28.26 inches. So we are going to find the circumference of this buoy, and the formula is C equals pi times diameter. And we plug the numbers in. Pi would be simplified to 3.14 times 30. And we're going to put this over here. And 4 times 0 equals 0, 1 times 0 equals 0, and 3 times 0 equals 0, and we put a 0. And then we do 4 times 3, which is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9. And then we have to move the decimal over 2 places. And the circumference would be 94.20 inches. So we're going to find the circumference of this quarter. And the formula would be C equals pi times diameter. And if we plug the numbers in, pi would be simplified to 3.14 times this number, which is 1.205. And if we multiply that, 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 equals 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 1 equals 4. And put 0. And 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 0 equals 0. And 1 times 2 equals 2. And 1 times 1 equals 1. And then we put 2 zeros. Then we put 2 zeros. And so then 3 times 5 equals 15. Carry the 1. Then 3 times 0 plus 1 equals 1. Then 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 1 equals 3. If you add them, 0, 7, 13, carry a 1, 8, 7, 3, and move the decimal 4 times. 1, 2, 3. So the circumference would be 37.8370 inches. So then we add the 2 zeros, and then it's 3 times 15, 5, and it equals 15. And we carry the 1. And 3 times 0 plus 1 equals 1. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 1 equals 3. So then, if we add these all together, that would equal 0. That would equal 7. That would equal 13, carry the 1. That would equal 8. That would equal 7. That would equal 3. And there's 2 decimals there and 3 decimals here. So then that would equal 5 decimals down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the circumference is 3.7837 inches. So I'm going to find the circumference of the inner circle. So the formula is pi times diameter. And if I plug the numbers in, pi is simplified to 3.14 times the diameter is 5. So if you do 3.14 times 5, 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 plus 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7. And 5 times 3 equals 15. And I have to move the decimal over twice. So then the circumference is 15.7. So now I'm going to find the circumference of the outer circle. So first I need to find the diameter. So the diameter of the inner circle is 5 times the 2. So then that'd be 10 plus 2 3s plus 3 equals 16. So then for the circumference is pi times diameter. So if I plug the numbers in, pi is 3.14, which is simplified, times 16. So then if I do 3.14 times 16, 6 times 4 is 24, carry the 2. 6 times 1 plus 2 is 8, and 6 times 3 is 18. Then I put a 0 for the next number. Now 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. So then if I add those together, it'd be 4, 12, carry the 1, 10, carry the 1, and 5. Now I have to move the decimal over twice, like here. So that my circumference would be 50.24.